Number 1. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,880, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine and a freshly rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission with only 4,000 miles since the rebuild. The truck has 168,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and features a red exterior. It has been well maintained with regular oil changes and recent service including new brakes, wheel bearings, power steering components, spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor. The truck rides on like new 33x 12.5 or 15 tires installed in February and features a full exhaust system with a deep but moderate sound. Additional upgrades include custom LED headlights, new grille and tail lights, cab marker lights, underbody lighting, tinted windows, Bluetooth connectivity, an 8-foot snugtop canopy, and a high-quality bedliner. Number 2. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $10,000, powered by the dependable 5.9L Magnum V8 engine and has 161,500 miles on the odometer. Finished in black with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and remains in great overall condition. Over the past year, the truck received a fresh paint job and continues to be completely rust-free. The suspension and front-end components have been fully replaced to enhance handling and ride quality, while new brakes, wheel hubs, and all-terrain tires contribute to its excellent road manners. Additional features include a tow package, a custom catback exhaust system, a restored interior, and a recent engine tune-up. The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, shifts flawlessly, and is ready for daily driving, towing, or weekend adventures. The few remaining items that have not been addressed include the heater, a power door lock actuator, and a passenger side window that rolls up a bit slowly but remains functional. Number 3. 1994 GMC 1500, price $6,900, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. The vehicle has a clean title that is in hand. It is exceptionally straight and benefits from a high-quality paint job, with no rust present anywhere on the body. The current owner originally purchased the truck as a project vehicle but no longer has the time available to complete it. The truck is fitted with a 4.3L V6 engine. Although approximately $400 was recently invested in a new TBI unit, the engine is currently not running properly and continues to experience a very rough idle. In addition, the vehicle has received significant suspension upgrades, including new front and rear suspension components. Number 4. 1997 Ford F250, price $5,000, powered by a 7.5L V8 big block gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a floor-shift 4WD system. Finished in white with a gray interior, this extended cab long bed model features an 8-foot cargo box and has 193,000 original miles on the odometer. The truck starts reliably every time and runs and drives great. It comes equipped with manual windows and door locks, overdrive, running boards, dual fuel tanks, a functioning heater, and a fully operational 4x4 system. Everything works as it should, making it a solid choice for work, towing, or everyday use. The interior shows normal wear for its age, with some wear on the seats but no major tears or damage. The truck also has newer tires and a new battery, adding to its reliability. An Eagle lift tailgate is installed, although it currently does not operate and will need a new pump. Number 5. 1971 Dodge D100, price $8,000. This truck is powered by a 318 Ci V8 engine with approximately 89,000 original miles and is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Finished in green with a black interior, the truck is believed to have been a special order vehicle due to its factory-equipped air conditioning system. Although the AC hardware remains intact, it is currently inoperable. Originally painted in sublime green, the body has been repainted over the years. Some areas around the drip moldings and bed rails are showing signs of peeling, revealing portions of the original factory paint underneath. The truck has also been upgraded with several aftermarket components, including Chrysler rally wheels, an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, and a 600 CFM carburetor. Number 6. 2000 Ford F250, price $4,800, well-maintained 4-door extended cab pickup equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. The truck has accumulated 270,000 miles and features a striking red exterior paired with a black interior. It is equipped with rear-wheel drive and 4x4 capability, offering versatility for both daily driving and more demanding road conditions. The vehicle comes with a clean title and is reported to run and drive well, with no known mechanical problems or issues. The tires are in good condition, and all features and functions are stated to be working properly. Overall, this F250 presents itself as a reliable and capable pickup truck that has been kept in good operating condition despite its mileage.
Number 7.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, showing just 95,000 miles on the odometer. It features a reliable automatic transmission, a striking burgundy exterior, and a clean gray interior. Powered by a gasoline-fueled 4.3-liter engine, the truck combines classic styling with dependable performance. Within the last 3,000 miles, it has been fitted with new tires, a new battery, and numerous replacement rubber components, including belts, hoses, brake lines, and other wear items, helping to ensure continued reliability. Additional features include an automatic overdrive transmission, air conditioning, a 35-gallon California specification fuel tank for extended driving range, and a desirable custom package.
Number 8.
2002 Ford F150, price $3,400. This truck is equipped with a 4.2L V6 engine, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a 4x2 drivetrain. It currently has 219,000 miles and comes with a rebuilt title. The truck has been in the same family for approximately 19 years and has proven to be a reliable and dependable vehicle throughout that time. The front bumper and grille were replaced in 2007 when it was purchased by the current owner's brother. It is also equipped with an electric trailer brake controller, making it well suited for towing. The clutch was replaced about a year and a half ago, and the most recent oil change was completed roughly 1,000 miles ago. According to the owner, everything functions as it should, and the truck still has plenty of life left in it.
Number 9.
1973 Ford F150, price $6,900. It has approximately 154,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a black interior and is powered by a gasoline-fueled 390 V8 engine. The truck appears to have a 4-inch suspension lift and is fitted with tires that have nearly new tread remaining. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives well overall. However, the braking system requires attention, as it feels like one of the front brakes may not be functioning properly, although no detailed inspection has been performed. The interior is reported to be in good condition for its age, while the exterior body is generally solid and presents well, with the exception of a small rust spot located at the bottom of the passenger side fender. A clean title is included and is in hand.
Number 10.
1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,400, powered by a 350 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 131,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior. The truck runs and drives well and is equipped with a gooseneck hitch, making it suitable for towing and hauling applications. Recent updates include new ignition components, as well as new wheels and tires, contributing to its overall reliability. While the truck remains solid and functional, it does have some cosmetic and mechanical imperfections consistent with its age. The air conditioning system is currently inoperative, there is an exhaust leak at the converter flange, and some rust is present. The body also shows dents, and the paint is not in the best condition.